In this video, I'll be showing you how to highlight a PDF document. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. All you want to do is find whichever PDF you have, right click on it, and then go ahead and click open with, and then you want to select Microsoft Edge for this. Now, once the document renders on your screen canvas, look at the top menu toolbar and click the highlight icon, which is going to be represented by a marker like this. So all you want to do, well, that's going to be erase, but then you're going to see this highlight icon right here. At this point, I can then highlight whatever I want, just like so. And again, this is a PDF document. You know it's a PDF document because it says .pdf. And you can do this with literally any PDF you want, and you can draw as well if you want to. And if I want to undo something, I can just go ahead and press that, and then it's going to be undone. But yeah, you can do it very easily, and it can be very useful. The good thing is it also detects text. So, you can do like nice straight highlights, even if your mouse is a bit shaky. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.